Today, let's dive into the whirlwind life of Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation and futuristic visions. Born in South Africa in 1971, I was fascinated by the realms of technology and entrepreneurship from a young age. At just 12, I developed and sold a video game called Blastar. But that was just the beginning. In 1995, I took a leap of faith and dropped out of Stanford, driven by a burning desire to revolutionize technology. I co-founded Zip2, a company that provided city guide software to newspapers. It was a success and later sold for a whopping $307 million. Not stopping there, I ventured into the world of online payments with X.com, which would eventually become known as PayPal. But my dreams were always sky high, literally. In 2002, I founded SpaceX with the vision of making space travel affordable and envisioning a future where humans could live on other planets. Around the same time, I got involved with Tesla Motors, pushing the boundaries of electric vehicles and sustainable energy. Yet my curiosity and ambition were not just confined to space and cars. I proposed the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system, founded Neuralink to merge human consciousness with artificial intelligence, and launched the Boring Company to revolutionize urban transportation. AI has always intrigued me. In 2015, I co-founded OpenAI, aiming to harness AI's power for the good of humanity. Recently, I started xAI, diving deeper into the untapped potentials of artificial intelligence. In 2022, I took a significant step by acquiring Twitter, transforming it into X Corp. My goal? To create an everything app, changing how we interact online forever. From revolutionizing transport on Earth and beyond, to pushing the boundaries of AI and infrastructure. My journey is about not just dreaming, but doing. As I often say, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Elon Musk, relentlessly pushing the envelope and daring to dream the impossible. Join me in this journey of constant innovation and boundless curiosity. Let's shape the future together.